equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Changing the battery in your Xiaomi robot vacuum can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, it's a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, gather your tools. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a replacement battery compatible with your Xiaomi model. Begin by turning off your robot vacuum and removing it from the charging dock. Place it on a flat surface to work comfortably. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Now, you'll see the battery compartment. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. A soft cloth works well for this. Disconnect the old battery by carefully unplugging the connector. It's essential to handle this part gently to avoid damaging the wires. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transport. Once the old battery is removed, take your new battery and connect it to the same plug. Ensure it's secure and fits snugly. After connecting the new battery, replace the cover of the vacuum. Align it properly and press down until it clicks into place. Then, take your Phillips screwdriver and reinsert the screws you removed earlier. Make sure they are tightened securely, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can strip the screws. Now that the battery is in place, it's time to test your vacuum. Turn it on and check if it's functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. Finally, if you prefer not to tackle this yourself, we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. And that's it. You've successfully changed the battery in your Xiaomi robot vacuum. Regular maintenance like this can extend the life of your device and keep it running efficiently. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.